Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make chili. So today is already October 19th. The weather's getting cold. Chili would be a perfect dish to make and eat for cold weather. So what I have here is an organic ground beef. This is 100% grass-fed, 85% lean and 15% fat. And for the vegetable, I have a red bell pepper, one green bell pepper. For a little spiciness, I'm gonna add one jalapeno pepper, and one onion, one small one, and celery. And for the spices, I bought one pouch of hot chili seasoning mix. I'm going to use that. I'm also going to use chili powder for a little spiciness, paprika, and cumin. I have the so I'm going to use one diced tomato in a can right here. This is 14.5 ounce. Dark red kidney beans. This is 15.5 ounces. And black beans. This is also 15 ounces. And chili Maya beans. So I'm going to use that one can of that. And then I'm going to add some beef broth. Okay. I'm going to dice up the onions. I'll just use a small one. Okay. Now, see I cut the top and the bottom so I can stand it on like that. Stand it on. And what I do is just take my knife and right here, don't cut all the way down, just cut it like that. And then you turn this way and then cut the same thing. Now flip it this way, and now you can dice it. Now you can dice it. Okay, that's good. I just take my knife, I just cut in half like that, and then take a knife and take out the core, the seed, and everything. I'm gonna just cut into small chunk like this, just like that, small chunk like this. Now so let's cut up the red bell pepper. Same thing. Take the knife, just take out all the seed. Okay. Now let's cut up the celery. I'm going to use maybe three stems. That's it. Wash it up a little bit. Well, maybe I'm gonna just split into half right here. Split into half is easier. Alright, split into half and then just I want it a little chunky, not too okay, I want a little chunky like this. Well, turn the stove to high heat, and then just wait for the pans to really get hot before I put the beef in. I said don't need to put any oil in the pan because the beef have a lot of fat in it, 15% fat already. We want to render out all the fat before try to break the ground beef apart. Okay. See a lot of fat coming out. Now we don't want all that fat in the chili, so I'm gonna cook a few more minutes, and then I'm gonna drain all the fat out. Now I'm gonna take the fat out. Look at that. See, that's good enough. Okay, look how much fat right here coming out. Take the ground beef out from the pan. Oh, I don't need to add any fat because I already have some fat, the ground beef fat in here. Onions in, the diced onion. Put the celery in, just cook it down a little bit, not too much. Put the green and the red bell pepper in. Just cook it down a little bit. Put the ground beef back in. It's about a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of chili powder, not too much, about a teaspoon of paprika. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also need to put some garlic powder in there too. A little bit, about half a teaspoon, about a teaspoon or so. Mix it well. I'm gonna put this hot chili seasoning mix in there. Now I'm gonna turn off the heat. So I'm gonna finish cooking the chili in the my slow cooker. Pour all this in there. It's gonna add the diced tomato, the kidney beans. I'm going to put all the water from the beans in there. The black beans, chili beans. Mix it good. Now to finish it off, I got beef broth right here. Fat-free, this 32 ounces. I use maybe, let me see. Remember, I already used some water from the bean already. The can the can that has the bean has some water in there already. So I don't use too much right here. Maybe half of this right here. So about 16 ounces of this, half of okay. That's one thing I forgot to do. I forgot to put the jalapeno pepper in there. So I'm gonna chop it up and put it in there. Just cut into chunk like this in there. The seasoning mix that I put in there, that one pouch, I think has some sodium in there. So I'm not going to put any sodium, salt in there yet until later on when it's almost finished cooking. I'm going to taste it, and if it needs some salt, I'm going to add some salt. Yeah, I'm going to put cook it in the basement instead. So plug it in already. So set it to high. Maybe cook for about maybe 3-4 hours. Let it simmer in the slow cook, and should be good to go. All right, after about 4.5 hours in slow cooker, right here, that's done. Oh, yummy. Let's see. Oh man, that's good. Look at the beans. Okay. Taste a little bit. Wow. Perfect. chili. It's easy to make. It's not really easy to make, and it tastes really good. It's good for this kind of weather right here. It's getting cold, especially, you know, fall and winter. Oh, chili is good. So simple recipe. Oh, tastes good. A little spicy though, but it's good though. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Give this a try. Thank you.